For Volvo owners who lead active lives, our accessories make it simple and safe to escape to adventure. Volvo designed a new kind of retractable trailer hitch to meet its most stringent safety and function requirements. Deployment is simple. Press a button to unfold and lock into position with your hand. The indicator light and driving information monitor tell you when it's locked. The trailer hitch retracts under the vehicle when not in use, maintaining the elegance of the rear bumper. For drivers towing trailers, a special ball trajectory guideline on the reverse screen eliminates guesswork while lining up your trailer. The trailer hitch can also be used with Volvo's bike carrier, which carries up to 4 bikes, folds away when not in use, and even tilts down for easy trunk access. The trailer hitch doesn't just make it easy to attach, it also uses advanced features to ensure that drivers always feel firmly connected to whatever they're towing. Constant electronic communication between car and trailer delivers key information about the trailer's direction and brake lights, and actually reprograms the all-wheel drive system for enhanced grip and stability. If the trailer starts to sway at speeds in excess of 48 kilometers per hour, Volvo's Trailer Stability Assist technology is designed to brake one or more wheels to regain control. Like all Volvo products, the trailer hitch is designed and tested to the highest standards of quality and safety, so drivers can venture confidently on the road. With bikes or trailers hitched to the back of the vehicle as safely and securely as the precious cargo buckled inside, all that's left to do now is hitch and go.